I have known her since she was young, and she continues to remain young after 30, 40 years. I don't know. I don't think you've come to 40 anyway. I have actually seen her work, and that impresses me a lot. Having worked for about 40 years in government, I know the limitations far more than most people can imagine. We have these bloated ministries up there and very limited funds, limited in terms of their capacity to reach out, to actually go down to the bottom level. And therefore, those who can master the system are the ones who get it. But then there's so much work to be done that it's simply not possible to expect government alone to do it. And that's why we need to have more and more NGOs who reach out and who can actually deliver far better than government. Having said that, one of the reasons why I never miss an opportunity to come, at least for some time, to gatherings like this, is to make a couple of points clear. Number one, as a student of history and anthropology, I can give you one certain observation. Of all the organized religions in the world, the one to which my forefathers belong is only one that doesn't have a mandatory element of charity. Every other religion in the world has zakat, charity, contribution to the shul, and redistributive justice. When I say that, I can give you my email and we can be on conversation. I mean it. And therefore, the need for injection of this virtue at odd intervals. The need to reinforce our obligation back to society. What obligation do we have? If there's any person in this room who has not done his basic education in the West, or has done his basic education in the West, would be in a position to compare the highly subsidized education system that all of us have partaken. If you think you have given 200 rupees, 500 rupees, I paid 12 rupees, magnificent 12 rupees for my college education per month. We are all actually indebted to society that has borne the burden. The question of privilege is that of a relative viewing. We have partaken of that privilege, and it is our obligation to give it back to the society that made us. It is only when you come here and you see these young kids, and remember, it's not a question of only coming on stage and making a performance. For them, it's a leap in their lives. Coming on to a stage in front of genteel folk is an act of confidence that most of them will never forget. Thank you, Sanghamitra. Thank you all, and God bless you.